Hi, Joan of Art. I'm at the home of APO WHANG-OD. So she's there making a fire because it's about to rain. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon. She stopped doing tattooing today because somebody in the village died. Mike is showing the tattoo he got in Mexico and some other the tattoo on his back.
You have tattoo? This is you, Wang-OD. Wow.
Wow. They're both comparing tattoos. Oh my gosh. Tattoo on a 100-year-old skin. Not the same. Nah. Wow.
Machine?
Showing off there. Masakit. Painful. Painful.
But it's machine?
No.
This by hand?
It's painful.
Yung machine.
I think a machine.
Machine?
Yeah, machine.
Yeah.
Sakit.
Sakit? Sakit? No.
Not painful.
Sakit?
Mansika baro.
No? She's a champ. Ouch. See, machine sakit. This one sakit. Sakit. What do you say?
Pangit?
What is pangit?
Ugly.
Ugly design.
Ugly? She says it's ugly. It's not good. Yeah, okay, that's nicer. That's nicer.
Nice tattoo.
It's better handmade.
Yeah, the original
That's
one.
original handmade.
Excuse.
When she's a little girl.
So Wang-OD is examining his tattoo, which he got in Thailand.
Did she see the tattoo on your arm?
He's got his penis checked out by APO WHANG-OD herself.
And she said it was small.
Small! She's touched a lot of penises apparently. Sorry Mike, she doesn't want to have sex with anybody. Wang-OD is checking out his penis! Oh my gosh! Okay, how about you Ken? Ken.
I'm a little bit hot and turned on right now.
You came all this way, and you have this really good sense of humor.
You weren't doing it right, and she just gave a doggy style motion. How you make kids is that way, yeah? Behind, yeah? This is you, Wang-OD, here, yeah? On your shirt. Famous. Who is he? Is he famous?
Yeah.
She's a big fan. She's a big fan.
Good husband. Very handsome, very guapo.
Mike, he's gonna bless us all.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So I just put my hand?
Just grab
The same way.
No, grab her hand, not your hand.
And then I do the whisper backwards, yeah.
Yeah. Isn't it cool to be just hanging out with the great
Rice fields, yeah?
APO WHANG-OD and just bonding with her, eating junk food?
50 years harvesting rice.
She likes the taro chips that we brought her. And she's also eating
Sige. So
food.
bukas na lang kami babalik dito.
This is Joan of Art here, hanging out, chilling with APO WHANG-OD herself. Until our next video, like, share, and subscribe. We better head off to our homestay because it's gonna rain.